tight circuits. This is an exercise loved by student pilots because finally they can start channeling their inner Erin Fitzgerald. Everything just happens a bit faster and precision flying is required. It can be flown to the left or to the right. We practice both ways with students. In this video, we'll be doing one to the left. First, you get into a hover and do your hover checks as always. No warning light, the RPM in the green. We have enough power, engine T's and P's in the green. Then you just start a normal transition, rotating out at 40 knots, climb straight ahead to 300 foot above ground level. At 300 foot, you turn 30 degrees to the right. Keep a climb going till you get to about 500 foot above ground level. And then you start a left-hand turn, keeping speed and maintaining your height. As you start rolling out into your downwind, identify some reference points roughly 150 meters abeam your landing zone, just to help you with distance and positioning for your base leg turn. Get your speed up to about 65 knots on your downwind, and then do your downwind checks. Once abeam your landing zone, your car beat goes back in. Lower your collective gently to start a descent, and start counting 3 to 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and then you start your base leg turn. Lower your collective first, then a bit of aft cyclic to prevent the nose from pitching down, and pedals to stay balanced. We teach students both slowing down into a hover, just gently like a normal circuit, or a quick stop at the end. Few things to look out for: letting your rate of descent get too high, so manage that collective and aft cyclic, especially during the turns. Staying balanced in the turn, look at the strings and use your pedals to do the necessary corrections. Hovering too high over your landing zone, rather overshoot a little bit than hovering too high and potentially getting yourself into vortex. Now the next thing, do you see that little subscribe icon? Please hit that up. #smiley face.